Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Swan Airlines. For all kind of insects, flies, and parasites, we've stops from London Regent's Park 1 to London Regent's Park 50 meters later. I hope you are having a safe and wonderful journey. If we decide to stop and clean, aka eat you, do not complain. Welcome on board.
To have decided to stop already. Look at them, Mr. and Mrs. Curious. Hello, are you going to stop here for a long time? Ooh, you are curious. Oh, we like you. Feed us, please. Feed us.
No, we want to be fed first. We want to be fed first. Come on, sir, feed us. Don't look at us only. Feed us. Please, feed us. We can make lots of noise.
Buongiorno, questa giornata è per Aqua Gym. Per Aqua Gym, stretch.
You're looking at me? You're looking at me? How dare you? Go away. Stop looking at me. Hey, you two. What are you doing here? Are you going to jump in the water or just drink? Look at me. I'm interested. Who is the boy? Who is the girl? I heard you are mating for life. Okay, I took that piece of cigarette and I'm going to go now. Bye.
Did you find something in there?
No, I'm searching. Did you? Well, I have been searching too. Right, okay, look. This person is here. Might feed us. What do you think? Come on, guys. Keep cleaning. Keep looking cute. Look at this lady. She's watching us. If we look cute, we might become famous. Come on, do it. Hey, you fatty. Step out. Good. Well done. Continue cleaning. Yes, let's all clean and look cute. Yes, we deserve it. We are the best, aren't we? Nous sommes trop jolis, nous sommes trop petits. Nous voulons tout le temps camaraderie. And if you feed us more, we'll not leave you sore. Dun, 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 dun. Feed us. Oi! Oi! You are not part of our clan. Go away. Stay on that side of the fence where you belong. Yes. Hello? Hello? I'm cute and I'm sharing food with pigeons. Will you love me, please? Please? What is fairy? What is cute? Likes her nuts and then turns.
Как дела? Ну, погоди. Give me some food. Yes, пожалуйста. Right now. Come on, food. Food.
Buongiorno ragazza, come stai? Ciao, tutto bene? Vieni con me. I'm going to show you a life of possibilities. Stay. Where are you going? Stay. And the big one, stay with me. I'm amazing. Stay. Oi, you two, piss off. It's my land and Mr. Heron's land. Yes, no one is allowed. I'm away. Mr. Heron is not happy.
Group here, don't allow the furry one near us. Look, he's grabbing another nut. Group here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group here. Don't let him pass. Come on, resistance, don't let him pass. After him.
Yes, well done. Hercules is here, shall his six-pack because he's on the right track. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, sole mio, na 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 na. Oh, sole mio, be nice to me because I'm under lake rest, and here I will stay. I'm afraid I will rest. Oh, wow. Okay, go from my visual, mate. You're taking my best vision, my image. Go away. Yes, okay. Ooh, up, lady, up, lady. Yes, better. Look at me. Aren't I beautiful? Τι κάνετε, από πού είσαστε από Λονδίνο. Oh, the sisters crossed the channels. Yes, is that food for me? Ignore the furry ones. Yes, give us the food. Ignore the furry ones. Look at me, look into my eyes, look into my eyes, look into my eyes. Feed me, feed me, feed me. Yes. Mamma mia, give me some food now. Oh yeah, give me some food, yeah. Mamma mia, give me more food now. Oh yeah, give me some food now.